we are going to do few workouts with dumbbells. We are going to concentrate on arms, shoulder and leg work. If you have any weights at home like dumbbell, you just grab it. I am going to do with dumbbells at home. If in case you don't have a dumbbell with you, grab a water bottle with water. In this routine, we are going to strengthen our muscles, we are going to increase the heart pump, and if you do it regularly, we are going to improvise our forms. Without any further delay, let's get into workout. Come on. Let's start with the workout. The first workout we are going to see is bicep curl. This is called bicep and we are going to strengthen this muscle with dumbbell workout. You are going to give resistance to this place. So you should tighten this muscle and you should do the work. Okay. You grab the weight which you have. I am taking my 2 kg dumbbell to show you guys. Open your hands in the front. Okay. Now we are going to slowly take this up. While doing this, you are going to tighten that bicep muscle and you are going to breathe in. And while leaving this, you are going to breathe out like this. Breathe in. You got it. The next thing is, in the elbow should not touch your body. In the space you guys have to maintain. Okay? Come on. Let's do with the space and breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Come on guys. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hope you guys understood the form. If in case that is difficult for you, you keep one leg front. Okay? And bend a little. Now we are going to do the same workout, but it is going to be a little easy for you guys. Come on. Open your arms. Elbows not touching your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes, that's it. Let's do 15 reps. Guys able to do that. If in case you are not able to lift your arms, if you are feeling difficult to lift both the arms together, we can do it alternate curls. I will show you how. So you are standing in this position, elbows not touching your body, arms in the front. Now instead of lifting both the arms together, you are going to do it with single arm. Okay? Come on guys. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Hope you guys understand. Let's do 15 reps in this. saw bicep curls. Now we are going to see hammer curl. Hammer curl is nothing but, in bicep curl, I kept my hands facing towards you guys. Okay, now in hammer curl, I am going to turn this hand like this. Arms should be this way and facing each other. Okay, and we are going to lift the weights. Come on guys, let's do it. I'll show you guys how to do. See, stands in the legs, same position, arms, same position, and make sure you guys are not moving your elbows like this. Okay, if you are moving your elbows like this, it means your arms are not strengthened enough to carry the weight. Okay, in that case, either reduce the weight or you do it without weights, guys. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Hope you guys understood. Let's do 15 reps. Tricep muscle, which is this one, which is parallel to your bicep muscle. Grab a chair, guys. This is you will get good balance with chair. Okay, and grab the weight, which I am taking 5 kg dumbbell. You guys can carry whatever is good for you. Okay, sit like this. Make sure your legs are stable and sit straight. Lift your dumbbell and keep it behind your head. Okay. Now slowly lift it up. Up. Don't touch your arms with your ears. Okay. You should always have a gap here. You should not touch your ears, and you should not also do like this. Elbows should not go wider like this as well. It should be straight like this. Up. Slowly down, guys. Come on. Up, down, up, down. Make sure you are keeping resistance in your tricep muscle, guys. You should give stress here. You should feel your tricep is working. Tighten your tricep and do that. Okay, let's do 15 reps, guys. Now we are going to do for shoulders. When you are choosing your weights for shoulders, be very careful. Okay, go with very less weight if you are a beginner, because shoulder gets injured very often, guys. If you do wrong posture, instead of doing like this, if you do like this, or if you are unable to grab the weight but you are trying to do that, or any wrong forms or wrong range of motion will definitely give you injury. Okay, but don't get scared. Start with very less weights, guys. I prefer sitting because it gives me a good grip and balance. Okay, grab 2 dumbbells, guys, and come to the position. See, it should be in L shape. Okay, both the sides. While doing, you are going to lift it up and you are going to lift it down like this. Okay, you are not taking it beyond this limit. And you are not going to shake your elbows. L shape, straight arms, taking it up. Breathe in. Now, while taking it up, you should breathe in, okay? While taking it down, you should breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Can we do 15 reps, guys? Are you ready? Come on. we are going to do a simple leg workout, which is nothing but a sit-ups. Okay, grab a chair, turn the side, and you are going to sit and get up. Okay, but make sure you are having your balance. Okay, just touch and get up, touch and get up. And if this is going to be difficult for you, you can sit and get up, sit, get up. And if it is easy for you, grab a weight. Make sure you are looking straight, guys. Don't look down or up while doing it like this, like that. Just look straight, grab the weight, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Can we start? We finished sit-ups, which involved your quad muscle, hamstring and glute. Now we are going to focus only on the hamstring. Okay, what you have to do is stand straight, guys. Stand straight. Push your glute little back. Look front. What you are going to do is you are going to go down, stay here, and then come up. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Make sure your knees are not coming front like this. A little bend is okay. Okay? Come on, guys. Let's do with weights. See? Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Alright guys, done for the day. How was your experience with weights? Let me know in the comment section. So what we saw is basic sets of workouts to begin your strength training, guys. So many workouts available. So I'll do it in parts, okay? So we cannot overload everything on one single day. Let's do it as different parts. You do try this routine and let me know how you feel. You do not worry if you are unable to lift weights. You can do it once you build up the strength in your muscles, guys. Also, you do not need to hurry. You can do it on your own pace. You don't need to lift more weights. You don't need to do different range of motion. You don't need to do faster. Nothing is needed, guys. Do it on your own pace. Enjoy the workout. This is a good thing you are doing for yourself, okay? So you don't stress yourself. Once you have learned the form, you can slowly grab the weights and you can slowly progress the weights. Okay. With that note, I am signing off from this session today. We'll meet you in another good session, guys. Bye bye.